Hey guys, Paulo here. Today we're taking a deep dive into the UGREEN DH4300 Plus, one of the newest NAS systems in UGREEN's growing lineup and one of the most impressive budget-friendly servers I've tested. If you've been watching the NAS world lately, you know UGREEN is shaking things up. They are pushing faster hardware, cleaner software, and more modern design than brands that have been doing this for over a decade. And with the DH4300 Plus, they're targeting the sweet spot for home users, creators, and small businesses who want reliable capacity, quiet operation, and simple setup without paying premier tier prices. UGREEN sent me the 8TB setup here using 4 2TB 3.5-inch SATA drives. So today we're going through the 5 W's, the unboxing, performance, setup, and whether this NAS deserves a place in your workflow. The DH4300 Plus is a 4-bay SATA NAS, designed to give you the perfect balance between storage capacity, quiet performance, and UGREEN's next generation NAS OS software. At its core, the DH4300 Plus offers 4 3.5-inch SATA drive bays, a modern power-efficient CPU, higher than gigabit speeds, smart cooling and extremely quiet fans, a clean beginner-friendly setup experience, and NAS OS, a surprisingly polished interface that competes directly with the old giants in this space. This is the NAS you buy when you want large storage, low noise, and zero headaches. So who is this NAS for? UGREEN built the DH4300 Plus for 3 main audiences. Content creators, whether you're shooting 4K or even 6K footage, raw photos, drone content, or big project files, and you need somewhere reliable to store everything, this is the NAS for you. For home users, if you want a private cloud for your family to store movies, photos, backups, smartphones, this gives you way more control than relying on Dropbox or iCloud. And finally, small offices or startups, file sharing, backups, versioning, and remote access, all without hiring an internal IT guy. It's simple, powerful, quiet, and cost-effective. Let's go to the unboxing, because UGREEN actually delivers a premium experience here. Opening the box, you're greeted with a very clean layout, protective foam surrounds the NAS, and all the accessories are neatly packaged. Inside you get the DH4300 Plus unit itself, a power supply, Ethernet cable, drive tray screws, a quick start documentation, and that's it. Now, installing the drives is extremely easy. Each of the 4 trays slides out effortlessly. UGREEN sent me 4 2TB SATA hard drives for a total of 8TB of raw storage. Mounting the drives is simple, line them up, screw them in, slide them back into the bay, and lock them in place. That's it. Once everything is seated, plug in power, connect to Ethernet, and the unit boots fast and quietly. The DH4300 Plus shines in situations where capacity and reliability matter more than raw speed. Storing your full video archive, housing all your raw photos, keeping your entire family's digital history in one safe place, media servers like Plex, laptop backups, shared office files, project files that need to live on a stable long-term storage. Transfer speeds are significantly higher than traditional 1GB Ethernet NAS units, so backups, large file moves, and syncing are noticeably faster. If you've ever waited a half a day for a backup to finish, this upgrade changes that. So UGREEN now has a full range of NAS options. The DXP series for high expandability, the NVMe Focus units for extreme speed, and this one, the DH series, for users who want large reliable storage at great cost per terabyte. The DH4300 Plus is the capacity-first model in the lineup, offering quiet, dependable storage for creators, households, and professionals. UGREEN isn't just entering the NAS space, they're building a complete ecosystem with hardware and software that feels modern, intuitive, and efficient. Now let's talk about why the DH4300 Plus stands out. First of all, it's got a massive value for the price. 4 drive bays, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet networking, clean software, quiet fans, at a price point the traditional NAS brands do not want to compete with. Number 2, NAS OS is a game changer. UGREEN's NAS OS is clean, fast, and easy to navigate. You get apps for backups, cloud sync, media servers, file sharing, permissions, remote access, snapshots. It feels modern, something many older NAS brands desperately need to update. Third, quiet, efficient, and reliable. Even with 4 SATA hard drives installed, the cooling system keeps noise extremely low. Very useful in a recording environment or other noise-sensitive environments. The DH4300 Plus is a quiet one. Number 4, perfect capacity for creators. In my example, this 8TB setup like mine is good for short-term storage, for example like storing completed projects, housing your YouTube footage archives, backing up libraries, long-term storage that remains accessible from anywhere. And finally, UGREEN is innovating fast. They are releasing product software updates and new features at a pace this industry hasn't seen in years. This is why so many creators and home users are switching from older NAS brands to UGREEN. The innovation is simply faster and better. With 4 2TB SATA hard drives, my DH4300 Plus has been rock solid. I've tested time-lapse and drone footage backups, full photo library transfers, Plex streaming, editing off proxy files for Adobe Premiere, multi-device syncing, MacBook backups. Everything runs really smooth, really quiet, and consistent. No weird dips in performance, no disconnects, no frustrations. For a NAS designed around capacity storage, this is exactly what I needed. So the UGREEN DH4300 Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable home or office NAS without breaking the bank. It's quiet, easy to use, expandable, and powered by one of the cleanest NAS operating systems I've reviewed. UGREEN isn't just joining the NAS world, they're reshaping it with better pricing, better software, and a better user experience. If you need a reliable 4-bay NAS for backups, media, or long-term storage, this one deserves a serious look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and do hit that subscribe button to see more awesome tech videos like this. Till next time, see ya.